What's that? All it takes is a win. The Fall Creek, the problem was you'd always get so many boats coming back and forth in that one channel that it's just like white caps. Even on a tube, it's no fun. Oh, she's gonna try it. Oh. Yeah, that girl. Spin it around. It's hard to get around. It's hard. There you go. You just can't reach around your suit. Put it on your foot. Yeah. Cassie, put it on your foot. Pull more. There you go. There we go. Oh, man. There we go.